5 minutes, 10 minutes to come.
Oh man, it's very different. This is kind of like the pristine area. It's a business center area. We're going to be here for a couple of days. Still in Cebu. Shouts out JP Morgan. I've got a few clients with them. We're going to go to the gym. See what we can find. This is the Airbnb for the last week. It's a standard, typical Airbnb location, if you will. This bathroom here is a bit tight. This is very, very tight. There's no sockets on the wall. What the fuck? So yeah, I didn't get to shoot much content on this part of Cebu, the IT park side. I've not been well, so I guess I've missed out on filming some content and stuff, but we're on our way to a place that's next to the beach, and hopefully I can record some of that as well. Also looking to acquire a DJI. So once I get the DJI, it'll be... Damn, is that my back? Oh. Once I get the DJI, then it'll be a little bit easier to do stuff. But yeah. So I found a place to work from. They have these little... There's a JP Morgan right there. There's a JP Morgan right there, which is weird because you think I've made tons of these videos where I'm talking about how slow it is, but truthfully it could be a little bit better. But this is the better side of Cebu, if you will. And then it goes all the way there. I'll take you guys there.